How to apply Freestyle Libre Sensor. Here are the steps you can follow to apply a Freestyle Libre sensor. Before you start, pick the site. The sensor ought to be applied to the rear of your upper arm. Pick a site that is level, and stay away from regions with scars, moles, or stretch imprints. Clean up. Ensure your hands and the application site are perfect. Use cleanser and water to clean up and allow the site to dry totally. Applying the sensor. Set up the sensor pack. Open the sensor pack by stripping the cover off totally. Remove the sensor from the pack. Set up the sensor tool. Open the sensor tool by unscrewing the cap. Line up the dull blemishes on the sensor pack and the sensor implement. On a hard surface, push down solidly on the sensor until it halts. This will stack the sensor into the utensil. Clean the application site. Utilize a liquor wipe to clean the region on the rear of your upper arm where you will apply the sensor. Permit the site to totally dry. Apply the sensor. Place the sensor tool over the clean site on the rear of your upper arm. Push down solidly to apply the sensor to your skin. You could hear a tick sound, demonstrating that the sensor is presently connected to your skin. Actually look at the sensor. Ensure the sensor is safely appended and the glue is in full contact with your skin. Eliminate the implement and check to guarantee the sensor is set up and there are no holes between the glue and your skin. Initiate the sensor. Utilize your viable gadget, like a Freeform Libre peruser or cell phone with the Freeform Libre Link application, to enact the sensor. Adhere to the directions in the application or peruser to begin the sensor. Tips. Abstain from contacting the sensor's fiber during application. Try not to involve similar site for back-to-back sensors. Turn locales to permit the skin to recuperate. On the off chance that the sensor isn't staying great, you might utilize extra glue patches over the sensor to assist with keeping it set up. After application. When applied, the sensor will require about an hour to adjust before it can begin giving readings. You can filter the sensor with your gadget to check glucose levels depending on the situation. You can use either your phone with Libre app or glucometer to scan the sensor to check your blood glucose level. If you have any questions, talk to your pharmacist. Hope you would have liked this video. Stay happy, healthy and safe.